Hello, friends and realtors across the country. I have a huge announcement for all my realtor friends. This is Kirk Brown. I have been diligently building relationships across the country through various platforms. I have been searching for a way to connect with all of my friendships and to help agents grow their business. So I have teamed up with Kevin Smullin. He's an expert on digital marketing for realtors. We are launching the Lead Generation Academy. So here to tell you more is Kevin.
During these 12 weeks, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be offering training to show you how to be generating more leads, more transactions, and how to be that go-to household name in real estate in your local area. So my specialty and expertise is in digital marketing. So we're going to be showing you how to market on Facebook, YouTube, Google, the platforms where people are at, where you can dominate that local space. And this training, the 12 weeks, we're calling it the Lead Generation Academy, and it's training you can't get anywhere else.
All right. So, hey, good stuff, Kevin. We appreciate it and looking forward to it. So whether you're a new agent or a veteran, this course can certainly help you, no doubt. This is completely free, by the way. There's no sales pitches, just pure learning on unique strategies to generate new clients and build your brand. So I hope you guys will join me and Kevin as we build this community of agents, create synergy, and empower every agent. I hope to see you soon. Have a great day.